Very good morning, dear student. This is exercise 5.3, question number 11. And the question number 11 is, if the sum of the first n term of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two term? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third term and the 10th term and nth term. We have find so many things in this question. We have given Sn equal to 4n minus n square. This one we have given. We have to find T1, T2, T3, T10, An, and last one is S2. These things we have to find. Okay, so first put n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. First we put 1, 2, 3 in place of n. So so in this equation we put n equal to 1. So S1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 1 is 4 and 1 square 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is S1 and S1 is called A1 or T1. Okay. So first term is 3. So first question completed. Now put n equal to 2. So S2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 to the 8 minus 4 2 square 4. So S2 value is 4. S2 value is 4 means this part is completed. Now we find T2. T2 means second term. So T2 value is S2 minus S1. The formula of T2 is equal to S2 minus S1. So T2 equal to S2 is equal to 4 and S1 is equal to 3. So T2 is equal to 1. So this is, so value of T2 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have to find D. D equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is 1. T1 is equal to 3. So value is minus 2. So D value is minus 2. Okay, now we find T3. T3 value is A plus 2D. A value is 3 plus 2. D value is minus 2. So 3 plus minus 2 to the 4. So minus 1. T3 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now this one we have find. Then T3, T10. T10 equal to A plus 9D. A value is 3 plus 9 into D value is minus 2. So 3, 9 to the 18. This is 18. 18 minus 3 is 15. So T10 equal to 15. Okay. Now we find An. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is formula of An. A value is 3 plus n. We don't know what is the value of n. So n minus 1 into D value is minus 2. So D value is minus 2. Okay. So 3 minus 2 into n. This is 2n minus minus plus 2 1 ja 2. So An equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2n. This is the value of An. This is the value of T10. Okay. This is the value of T3 and this is the value of T2 and this is the value of S2 means sum of two term and this is the value of S1 means T1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 answer we have to find. So this is complete this question. Okay, now start question number 12. Question number 12 is find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. We have to find first 40 positive integers sum which is divisible by 6. Okay, so we have given number of terms and the common difference. Okay, we have given the number of terms, this is 40 and we have given D value is 6. We have find the sum of first 40 terms which is divisible by 6. So D is equal to 6 and N is equal to 40. So first we have to know what is the first number which is divisible by 6. So first number is 6, then automatically the second number which is divisible by 6 is 12. So A value is 6 and B value is 12. So and D value is 6. Now use SN formula, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So n value is 40, so 40 by 2, 2 into A value is 6 plus n value is 40 minus 1 into D value is 6. Okay. So 2 20 is 40, 6 2 is 12 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 into 6. 20, 12 plus this is 2, this is 234. Now 20 into 8 246, this is 4920 is value of S40. So this is the answer. Now question number 13, find the sum of the first 15 multiple of 8. So this question is same the question number 12. Here number of terms is 40, here is number of terms is 15. The divisible by 6 and the multiple of 8, these are the same. This value is D and this is value is also D. So D value is 8 and N value is 50. You have to use the formula of Sn equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and you will get the answer of this question. So now we start question number 14. Question number 14 is find the sum of the odd number between 0 to 50. We have given the two numbers and we have to find the sum of the odd number between these two, when 0 to 50. So this is question number 14. 0 to 50, there are so many odd number, so we have to find these odd number, the sum of these odd number. So first odd number after 0 is 1 and last odd number before 50 is 49. We know well. If first odd number is 1, then the next odd number will be 3, then next number will be 5, then next number will be 7, like this. Okay. So A equal to 1, D equal to B minus A means 3 minus 1 is 2. So D value is 2 and L value is 49. So we have to find first we have to find the number of terms between this. So we have to use Tn formula, means number of terms formula is also equal to L, and the L formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. A value is 1 plus n we don't know, and D value is 2 and this is 49. 49 equal to 1 plus 2 into n, 2n, 2 1 is 2. Okay. 49 equal to 2n, 2 minus 1 is 1, side change of 1. So here is 50 equal to 2n, so n equal to 25. So number of terms is 25. Now we have to find the sum of 25 odd number. Okay. So this is Sn formula is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, or one more formula is there, n by 2 A plus L. Okay, Sn formula. So we have to find the sum of first 25 terms. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2, A value is 1, L value is 49. So 25 by 2 into this is also 50. Okay, 25. So 625 is the S25 value, means sum of odd number. Got it? This is answer. So now I want to tell you, after 14 question, all the question are situational question, and this type question is cancelled this year. Means this year the situation question based on sum of n terms are cancelled. My video is also there. You can go through this that video. You can easily find this type of question are cancelled. Okay. This year this type of question will not ask in the examination. Although I explain some questions A contract of construction job specify penalty delay of completion beyond a certain date of follows 200 for the first day and 250 and the 300. So 200 is the value of A, and the D is 50 because every day 50 rupees more. So D is equal to 50 and N equal to 30. Number of days equal to 30. You can use this formula, means some formula, and you have to find the answer of this question. Okay. 16th question. A sum of 700 is to be distributed, means this is the value of SN. Okay. Each case price student of school for their overall academic performance. If each price is 20 less than, means 20 is the value of D, and how many prices? 7. So N value is 7. You again use this formula and find the answers. In question number 17, in the school, student thought of planting trees around each school of reduce air pollution. So there are there are 12 class in the school, and each class have 3 sections. That is, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on. Look here please, this is question number 17. There are 1, 2, 3 and 12th class. Okay, and each class have 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3, like this. Okay, like this. So in first class there are 3, second class 6, third class 9, and so on. So this is A, this is B, and you have 6 minus 3, you have D value is also 3, and total class is 12. So N value is 12. So easily you have to find how many trees are there. Okay. Similarly, question number 19. So there are 200 logs, means SN value is 200. This is value of SN. The A value is 20 and B value is 19. So 19 minus 20 is minus 1. So D value is minus 1. And you can use again this formula, SN formula, and you easily got the answer of this question. Okay. Similarly, question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket of placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter more from the first potato, and the other potato are placed 3 meter apart, a straight line. So okay, this question is like this. Here is a bucket. The distance between bucket and the first potato is 5. So a person is moved from here and take the potato and put in the bucket. So there are 5 into 2, means 2 times they have to go and back. So there is first term is 10, means 5 into 2 is 10. Then the next, after the putting first potato, they run towards here, means 5 plus 3 means 8, and again here. So 8 plus 8, 16. So next term is 16. So 3 plus 5 into 2 means 16. The second term is 16. Similarly, after the putting the second potato, they can run towards the third one, means from this to this. 5 plus 3 plus 3 means 11. 11 into 2, 22. The next term is 22. So 5 plus 3 plus 3 into 2 means 22. So these are the, so 10, 16 and 22 are the series. So you can easily find the answer. Okay, got it? Okay, so this class is finished here. We will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.